Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Activity. You know I don't do many police activity videos, but the title of the video is Florida man tells deputies he likes stealing cars, proceeds to steal their car. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. Let's do it.
Hello, Sheriff's Office. What's going on?
I'm having a really bad day.
Okay.
You have my police record?
I got nothing, sir. All we got was a phone call saying you were at a cemetery, which wasn't the case.
Would you call in dispatch or have one more cop come out, please?
Dispatch called me here. What is it you need?
I don't trust anybody anymore.
Okay, well, you called us, so you must need us for something.
And I've had bad experiences.
Yeah, you're good, sir. So what is it going on? What is it you called us out here for?
Well, I'll tell this. No, I don't know. What did dispatch say?
They told us that you called, said people were after you, you were in the trees, and then a second call came in, you said you were at the cemetery.
Okay.
That's all we've been told.
And are you guys here to like protect and serve my best interests?
I'm here because you called. I'm not sure what it is we can do for you. That's what we're trying to figure out.
I violated probation by doing drugs.
Okay. Well, if all you've done is use drugs prior to us being here, you're not in possession of any drugs, there's nothing we can do about your probation. I can't violate you for having consumed something prior to my arrival. What is it you need of us right now?
I don't know.
Sounds like from what we got from this gentleman, this isn't where you live.
I'm thinking about moving in. Psychiatric help. Who would you recommend?
Well, it's up to you. Do you want to go? Do you want us to drive you somewhere? Because we can take you to the closest facility if you want to go.
Who would you take me to?
What's that?
Who will you take me to?
From here, the closest place would be the Vines. You ever been there?
No.
Is that something you're interested in? Do you want to go to the facility? Are you thinking about injuring yourself, hurting yourself in any?
I ain't gonna lie, and I know this is off topic, but imagine laying in that grass, man. That probably feels so good. Like, you know, when like you go outside and just take it. I feel like there's really like no better feeling than going outside on a nice day, taking your shoes off, and just walking on the grass. Like your bare feet on the grass. Like, oh man, it's nothing like touching the earth, man. That's an amazing electric feeling. If you've never done it or you haven't done it in a long time, try doing it, man.
No. I'm thinking about laying here till the stars come up.
55-7. We're going to be 10-12 with another black male subject in the middle of the field.
Your GPS. Great. Thank you.
Okay, so what is it we can do for you, sir? If you want to go to a facility to be seen, a psychiatric facility, an ambulance can take you to the hospital. They will screen you. They will ensure that you're in good health so this facility can receive you. And then the facility you can get transported to the facility, and then they will see you on a voluntary basis. Meaning that you'll sign yourself in, you'll say, I'm here for these reasons, and then they will talk with you. And then if there's an actual thing they can provide for you, a service, or they can admit you somewhere, or they can provide treatment, they will do that.
He ain't trying to hear what you got to say.
You there against your will. You're asking to go there voluntarily.
He ain't trying to hear that.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to provide that opportunity.
I'm actually screwed.
Why do you say that?
I just got in the middle of something.
Well, you're in the middle of a field right now. That's probably one thing you shouldn't be in the middle of. How did you get here? You walked from where? You're not living out here, so how did you get here?
Have some fun. Step back 20 feet.
Why? Why are you asking me to step back? What's going on? Where are y'all to? What's going on? We don't really have any PC for anything at this point. Yeah. Is your car locked? Yeah. No. Whose car is that? I just locked it. Hey! 5507, man. Hey! Stop the car!
5507.
Hold the station, man. So just inside my vehicle, attempted to take it today. Hey!
Bruh. This cop, first of all, the guy was running past. Why is he just walking? You don't know what that guy is gonna do. He don't live around there. I would have been trying to get up on him a little bit more, like when they were still on foot. And then you gonna sit there and ask her, did you lock your car? Did you lock yours? You asking her, did she lock her car? Did you lock yours? No. Come on, man. What are you doing?
What's going on? We don't really have any
Lollygagging, walking, taking your sweet ass time.
Yeah. Is your car locked? Yeah. No. Whose car is that? I just locked it. Hey!
That's yours, dummy.
Hey!
Come on, man.
Stop the car!
Now you want to run.
Hold the station, man. So just inside my vehicle, attempted to take it today. Hey!
6585 behind OPD. We're westbound 10th Street.
Westbound 10th Street.
You can't make this up, boy.
You can get a pin on that car, get a pin on that car. $65.85, I'm out.
Come out. 5080.
I'm behind it. I'm going to try and pit, Marion.
I'm trying to pit.
Okay, pit. 200 and okay.
Pit.
Do not let him get out of there.
Show me your fucking hand!
Pit, 200 and I'm okay.
His hands is up. That's it. He know he done. Ain't nothing gonna happen.
Take your time. We got all the time in the world, guys.
They mad and they can't do nothing. His hands up.
Watch our crossfire. We're good. We're good. Face away from him. Follow the instructions.
Talking about you violated probation.
We're walking out.
I'll go. Gentlemen, I told the cops twice. These guys showed up, and I think the cops were false. There's something going on at the Hilltop Lounge. I think they want to prostitution. Somebody ride with, please. I think they're doing prostitution out there. I accidentally stole the main guy's car.
Let your hand go!
In 2020.
Let your hand go!
I think I stole his car in 2020. Anyway, I was up there for the last week. They drove me, and I think they have other people in there. I came out and I was listening to the guy talk, and he's like, "Boss, I think
You can't make this stuff up.
You want to meet him?" The boss was sitting there.
Listen, roll to your bike.
I'm scared. I've done this before. Right here. I don't trust her. And the guy.
Wow, crazy stuff, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.